Say good morning.
Good morning.
It's my contractor. He took the sign off the house for me, and yeah, look at those muscles. Now he's gonna go to work.
Gotta go to work. Gotta make some money. Gotta bring home the bacon. Wife can fry it up, and almost got bit by a bunch of ants.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah. All right, baby.
Okay, y'all, it is day 77 of the build, and we are expecting some more rain, of course. And I don't know what they can do, but it's almost 50 degrees outside, so maybe they can come start roughing in the plumbing today if the plumber's available. I don't know, but we can hope so. We can cross our fingers. But yeah, this is what it looks like today. Here we go. Hello. Just got back from picking up the sign and the lockbox off that house. It closes today at 4. Now I'm going to get a hot chocolate and then head to work and get some stuff done. My friend David back there just told me if you spend at least $100. Hey, there's Dana! Y'all, that's Dana.
Hello!
Hey!
No makeup.
Okay. That was Dana, and she's one of the pastors up at the church that we go to. And so, anyway, I was telling her what Daniel told me, or David. Is that David? I think that's David. That's David. He has another brother that works at Albertsons. Anyway, they're not even close to being twins, but... So, David told me that if you spend at least $100 or more in a single transaction, you get a free turkey. And so I'm like, okay, I need a turkey, and I'd probably spend $100 anyway. And then I ran into Dana, who already knew that, but I was telling her we're going to stay home for Thanksgiving this year, and she was like, oh, we always go to the movies on Thanksgiving, and I thought, oh, and there's several movies I want to go see, so maybe that's what we're going to do. I am at work now. I don't know if the sun is blinding you from seeing me, but I'm going to tell you about my random act of kindness. Well, it wasn't really, I guess it was random because I didn't know the guy. So we were standing in line, I was talking to a guy, and he was telling me he's in radiology school. I was videoing, Snapchatting actually, on Sarah and Catherine. And so he was like, oh, sorry, I got in your video. He goes, I was trying to be famous or something. So anyway, we're joking, and I was telling him, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a daily vlogger. And so anyway, we're just chatting about that. And I said, well, what do you do? And he said, I just going to radiology school. And so then when it got up to be my turn, I'm like, she said, is this all? I said, no, I'll buy whatever the gentleman's having. So he's like, are you serious? And I was like, yeah. So, so I bought a random stranger. His name's Dustin. We're friends now. Hopefully he'll be a subscriber. And so I bought his venti, what did he get? Iced coffee, I think, with vanilla and cream. So that's his drink of choice today to get him through the day. So I encourage you guys to do something, just something nice for someone. You know how I talked the other day about like trying to give 5 compliments in a day, or do 5 nice things in a day, 5 random acts of kindness. Well, that was my random act of kindness for today, or at least one of them. I've got 4 more to go. So I got to find either 4 more people to compliment, 4 more, or I've got to find like other 4 more nice things I can do today. Just trying to spread some love, some peace, some kindness into the world. I'm at my closing, and this is the view. Apparently something happened because there's emergency vehicles. Well, guess where I am? I'm at PetSmart again, because I'm going to try to get one of those calming collars for Captain. And tomorrow we're going to take Wolf in to get spayed. At least I think that's the plan, so we'll see. So I'm going to try it, buy it for Captain, see if it works for him, calms him down with Wolf, because right now he's just not super friendly. And like I was saying earlier, tomorrow we're going to take Wolf in to go get spayed. And so we just need them to be calm with each other and get along and be best friends. And they're not being best friends yet, because I think Wolf is still kind of like, hey, what's going on? Like, who is she? Why is she here? How long is she staying? When's she gonna leave? And so she's not leaving. So anyway, that's what I'm doing here at PetSmart. And then I'm gonna run home, grab the food donations, and then I'm gonna head to Windsor Florist for their event from 5 to 7 on the square. It'll be a few minutes late, but it'll be okay. And Santa's gonna be there, and there's gonna be food, and there's gonna be shopping that I can do. So I'll show you the kind of cool things that they have for sale and show you around the floor shop. And so yeah, that's what I'm fixing to do. Okay, I've got the calming collar. So hopefully it works for Captain. The spray stove, I don't know if it's working, and I've got the diffuser going, so between the three things, hopefully one of them will calm them down. These ladies were looking at me like I was a little strange because I'm filming myself while I'm walking. But that's okay, because it's what I do. I'm here. I don't know if Marvin's here or not, but I'm gonna cross the street because nobody's coming. I got my food, and it's a little bit heavy, but that's okay. We're donating it for Sharing Life because they're doing a toy drive and a food drive. So I bought food, and it should be a fun night. Look at all the food.
Hey.
Don't even
I'm here with the
start.
mayor. Okay, y'all, so if this falls, sorry, but I've got to start off with a little rant. My camera, you know, I just bought that little screw, the ridiculously tiny screw. That was $20, well, for two of them, so $10 each, and it fell out again. So now I've got to call Canon tomorrow and just go, hey, this expensive camera that I bought, yeah, the screw keeps coming out. So, it's a little frustrating. I mean, not a little frustrating, it's a lot of frustrating. And I wasn't using the viewfinder flip up that much. And I mean, even if I was, it's there. Why couldn't I use the flip up without the screw coming out? But anyway, I digress. It is now 10:30, well, it's almost 10:30, and I need to go to bed because tomorrow, I don't know why I was like, tomorrow, Wolf is getting, I was gonna say baptized. No, she's not. She's gonna get spayed, which has not even remotely close to being baptized. But tonight we went to an event, and it's the Windsor Florist Open House. She has it every year. It's a great event, and everything in the store was 60% off. And they were doing a Toys for Tots toy drive. They were doing a canned food drive or food drive for Sharing Life, which we took stuff for the food drive, and then we just donated like 20 bucks or whatever to the police department for the toy drive. But I did shop till I dropped, then I crawled. No, I'm just kidding. I did shop though, and I want to show you what I got. So, first off, I got this little, what is this? Oh, it's a little calendar. And I got a little candy cane because holidays. And these are my sunglasses. I didn't get those, I already had those. But look at this little cute snowman thing. I do snowmen at Christmas time. I know some people might do some people do penguins or Santa Clauses or Christmas trees, which I like Christmas trees too. I just want something that's kind of generic that can kind of carry on through and it not be so specific to, like at Halloween, I do pumpkins and scarecrows. I don't necessarily do jack-o'-lanterns or any ghosts or anything too specific to Halloween because I want to be able to use my pumpkins from like all of fall, like through Thanksgiving. Anyway, look at this cute little pumpkin. while. I'm tired. Look at this cute little snowman. So he's got these little like twig arms. I don't know if they're real twigs. They're not real twigs. But this was regularly $24. And so it was on sale for 60% off. I don't know what the math is, but it was at least $12. Less than $12. Because $12 would be 50% off. So 60% off is less than 12. So anyway, this was less than 12. How about that? And then I also got this cute little thing. It's just like a little plaque and it says, "Love is kind." So I thought it was really cute. And this, like for me, is not necessarily a Christmas specific type item. Like you could use it like in your regular decor. But I just thought it was so cute. And it feels like it's almost like made out of that balsa wood. But anyway, so I thought, well, that was cute. And then I got a Christmas ornament, which I don't think any of my wing moms watch. And if they do, well then they're fixing to see the Christmas ornament I bought. So this one says peace, and then it has a little dove. Get it? Isn't that cute? So we're doing Secret Santa with my wing mom team, admin team, and we drew names. And so I can't tell you who I got, but she's gonna get this. So if she's watching, here it is, it's me. When you open it up and you go, oh my gosh, that's the one Lisa showed on her vlog. So, yeah, anyway, I thought it was really cute and I liked it. So I was actually looking for something that said grace on it because my word for 2019, because I was looking for something like this that said grace. But anyway, my word for 2019, oh, by the way, this one was $12.95, 60% off. So half of 13 is $6.50. So it was less than $6.50. And then this one, this ornament, the peace ornament, was $9. So it was less than $4.50. I do not do good at math. I don't know. It's just not really a strong point. Anyway, what was I telling you? Ugh. We're doing, I don't even, see now I lost my train of thought. Rabbit, squirrel, I don't know. Anyway, I thought that was cute. And see, it's got like his little pine cone, like little, that's cute. That's cute to me. And I'm trying not to buy too much, but I do like to buy when I'm at that particular event because just to show some support for the local community, you know. She is a vendor. She's a business on the square, and we're having Small Business Saturday on the 24th, and she's participating in that as well. Helen does a really great job of just really giving back and serving her community, so I like to buy things from her, and she is typically my florist of choice if I have to buy flowers for you know, an event or anything like that. So anyway, I'm rambling. It's getting later. I've got to get up in the morning to take Wolf to the, I was going to say airport. Wow, I am so, I must be really tired. And also my candy cane's broke. So there's that. But I'm going to end the vlog here. And I just bid you to go in peace, go in kindness, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.